So you guys, this is an interesting one. So according to Business Insider article, let me share with you the incredible success story of Nikki, a woman who turned her digital product sales into a booming business. So Nikki was initially making $60,000 per year at her 9-to-5 marketing job. However, after creating her first ebook in March of 2022, everything changed. So in the past 2 months, Nikki managed to make over around $77,000 selling digital products. So working only 5 hours a week or less. So the total earnings from selling 3 digital products. So these are an ebook, an email course, and an ebook template, guys. All these amounted to approximately $120,000. So this incredible income allowed her to achieve her ultimate goal of leaving her 9-to-5 job and spending more time at home with her 2-year-old daughter and with a second child on the way. So the importance of being present for her family has become even more significant to Nikki. So now you guys, let us take a closer look at how Nikki achieved such a remarkable success and how you can create and sell your own digital products as well. So Nikki found social media to be her primary driver of customer traffic, right? So while she started with around 23,000 followers on TikTok, that number skyrocketed to over 229,000 followers. However, she emphasizes that you don't necessarily need a massive social media following to succeed, right? So other channels such as Pinterest, blogging, and also having your own website utilizing SEO can all contribute to marketing your products effectively. But before we continue, guys, if you are enjoying this so far, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Okay, thank you. So guys, now for the juicy part, how Nikki created her products. So when it comes to creating the digital products themselves, Nikki used Canva, a free tool that offers an easy way to design ebooks. She then sold these products exclusively through her own website, while platforms like Etsy are popular for digital products. Nikki believes that having your own website and brand is more advantageous in the long run, okay? So by doing so, you build your own business instead of relying on someone else's platform. So guys, you see, platforms such as Etsy, we all know that it can be extremely competitive due to the fees and the large number of sellers. Basically, probably selling the same thing can be extremely competitive. So in order to reach a substantial income like $10,000 per month, it can be extremely challenging to achieve solely through Etsy. However, for persons who are starting out without an established customer base or website, platforms like Etsy can be a suitable starting point. Okay, so by the way, guys, if you're looking to jumpstart your digital product sales journey, there's a great resource you can explore, and that is InstantRights.com, right? So they offer PLR or private label rights digital products that provide ready-to-use templates. You can easily customize these templates to fit your brand and start selling them right away. So it's a fantastic opportunity that will save you time and effort while you kickstart your online journey, guys. So remember, it is InstantRights.com. So guys, the key to success in selling digital products lies in choosing the right niche. So for Nikki, her brand revolves around the concept of slow living, promoting contentment, and with her contentment with her current financial situation. So Nikki's journey is truly inspiring. And so in a short period, she transformed her life, earning a substantial income while enjoying the freedom to spend quality time with her family, guys. And I know most of us want the same thing. So if you've been contemplating creating and selling digital products, Nikki's story is a shining example of what's possible, guys. So remember, you don't need to have a massive social media following. You can leverage platforms like Pinterest, blogs, and SEO to drive traffic to your website. So tools like Canva can help you create professional digital products and selling them through your own website. Remember, your own website. You can build a strong brand and independent business, okay? Not forgetting instant rights, where you can get templates to customize and sell in seconds, and also choose the right niche that resonates with your brand and values. And you'll be on your way basically to your own digital product success stories. So guys, I have exciting news for you. I have created a free ebook that will guide you through the process of creating your very first digital product in less than no time. So this comprehensive resource is packed with valuable tips and strategies and step-by-step instructions to help you get started on your digital product business. Okay, so don't miss out on this opportunity to accelerate your online business, guys. So get your free ebook today in the link below and unlock the secret to creating your first digital product effortlessly. Okay, so guys, subscribe for more inspiring stories and valuable tips from my channel. So remember to stay creative and keep hustling.